Save Our Earth, a pre-learning story brought to you by Little Footprints of KidsSTOP at Science Centre, Singapore. It was a bright and sunny day when Joe and Peppa went to play. They went to the beach and saw the sea reach from the sun to the bay. They brought along a spade along with lemonade. Swimming and laughing in the sea, their faces lit up with glee. Soon the heat from the sun caused their sweat to run. Their shirts were really drenched, with their thirst unable to be quenched. Why is the weather getting so hot? Hotter than water in the pot. The weather was not this hot before. Joe and Peppa wandered on the shore. Oh dear, it's clear. Something is surely not right. What is giving Earth this fright?
Eureka! Pepper exclaimed. I know what has to be blamed.
Well, what is it, Pepper? What is the reason for this changing weather?
It's us! All our actions! Rubbish and pollution! The release of toxic gases is not the solution.
Burning all our litter. Cutting down trees faster. As the homes of needy animals burn up, these cause Earth to heat up. Oh no, many terrible things are happening to Earth. Let's take on the role of a planet protector to save our Earth and reduce the effects of climate change. Visit KidsSTOP to redeem your Little Footprint Save Our Earth Adventure Trail Kit and complete missions to save our Earth with Joe and Pepper. See you there! A learning resource by KidsSTOP, brought to you by Science Centre, Singapore.